installation. I do go into more like product overviews, which is going to be oven and stuff like that. But here we're going to talk about clearances, specs, everything you need to know on this stove. It does have a smaller firebox. You actually have the greatest dimension in your overall height. And actually burning the wood vertically is going to be preferred. You're only going to get about a 12-inch log in this model. However, burning them vertically, you are able to stack quite a bit in here, and I am able to get an 8-hour overnight burn time, and that's when burning like a soft Douglas fir wood. So even with the smaller box, you can still heat the 1,600 square feet, and you can still get the overnight burn time. Your clearances on this particular model are going to be 12 inches from the side and 12 inches to the rear. That is going to be your clearance to a combustible wall, so just like a standard drywall. This model does take a 6-inch chimney. This is kind of unique because it can be a top vent, it can be a rear vent, or it can be a side vent model. And you can pick to have your flue on the right-hand side or on the left-hand side. So this is going to be a left-hand flue model right here, which means your firebox will be located on the right-hand side, which is a little bit different than most of the cook stoves that you'll see on the market. This model does always come standard with this nice trim here on the top. This is going to be the stainless steel model. We do have it available with a gray side panel as well. This model does have the ability to connect in outside air. So if you're installing into a mobile, manufactured, tightly insulated, or a home with a lot of exhaust fans, or if it's required in your county, there are only a handful of cookers on the market that do have the outside air kit, so that can be a nice feature to have as well. You do have the removable lid over the top of the firebox, so you can do wok style cooking. It does have a ash pan located below. With the grate, your ashes will actually fall through the grate. You can scoot them through and pull your ash pan out below. We do also have this nice pan drawer area that comes loaded with all of your tools. It does come standard with a 6-inch collar. So if you're running a single wall chimney, you will be able to connect directly into that flue collar. If you are using a double wall chimney on your installation, then double wall chimneys are typically brand specific to have their brand of adapter to connect onto the stove itself. So that's something to keep in mind. We do offer chimney systems at a 20% discount, free shipping, and no sales tax for our customers. So if you're interested in the chimney quote, we just ask for a few measurements and we are happy to provide you with a full detailed custom quote. This model is going to be made in Serbia. It is one that we import. I do have some videos where I've done factory tours. They have a really pretty impressive plant over there in Serbia, and they produce a variety of other heating products, not just cookers as well. So I've been really impressed with the ABC company. I've been doing business with them for well over 10 years. I think probably pushing closer, over 10 years now. And they have been absolutely excellent to work with. So I've been very impressed with the stove. I'm going to have some other videos for you guys. Be sure to look for those burn videos, cooking videos, and baking videos as well. If you guys find this information helpful, educational, please don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Also, share it with a friend or share it with a group that you're on social media. Sharing our content really helps us out. Thank you guys so much for